Vicky, and this is Heartland Knits and Sews, a channel where I talk about all the things I love to do, mostly knitting and sewing. Today I have a sewing video and unboxing of my Think Pink box. This is a subscription box from Andrea at Beyond the Pink Door, and these come once a month. I love them. I love opening them. It's a whole little sewing present in the mail. I apologize if it's a little echoey in here. I'm in my sewing room. I'm not sure exactly why it's echoey because there's a lot of fabric to insulate everything. I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of the dress that I sewed up from last month's fabric. This was a beautiful viscose that we received, and I made the True Bias Shelby dress with quite a few changes. And I'm going to do a whole video about this dress and all the changes I made, but I wanted to give you a little sneak peek. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel, and then you will see when it is uploaded and available to see. And before I forget, what I'm wearing is a Wanted Tee by Vanessa Puzo, and this is I feel like I have a bunch of these. I feel like this one is a viscose jersey. I think I just got the fabric at Joann's. But yeah, I love this design. It's fun to sew, and I really love wearing them. So anyway, this is box number 22, I believe, and it's another of the smaller size boxes. I haven't figured out exactly how to reuse those boxes, but I definitely need to. It's really pretty. This one got a little smushed, but not too bad. But yeah, they're so pretty. So let me open this. I just took it out of the pink wrapper, but let me open it up and take a peek. And it's in lovely red paper. And the postcards, it says, "Let's face the music and dance." Oh, Fred Astaire. He was my mom's favorite. She always talked about going to see the Fred Astaire movies. I watched them all on Amazon Prime. But yeah, and it's in red paper, so I don't know if that's a hint. On the back is the QR code for the ebook. Yes, this is the subscription box number 22, and it says this month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric, and there are 2 colorways. But it says fabric details can be found in the ebook. So it's a surprise. So she's keeping it a surprise for everybody until I get in there. But yeah, that's beautiful. So it is, so it's you can tell it's taken a journey. My paper is a little ripped there, so it must have swished around, and I did bring a scissors in here. Well, I have my sewing scissors, but that is not going to be used on paper. Ooh. Oh my, oh. So, first out of the box is, oh my goodness. Oh, salted caramel chocolate from Ireland. Was it Wildy or Wild, or I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but it's from Ireland. It's salted caramel, 70% dark chocolate. Yes, that will go down good. That will definitely be good. Thank you, Andrea. We have some of these really big snap fasteners. I love these. I call these Barbie snaps because when I was little and we, played with Barbies, her clothes always had these kind of little snaps on the back. So they will all forever be, to me, Barbie snaps. We have this little box. Box number 2, it says wooden pegs on it. Okay, let's get this open. I can see the fabric in it. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at these little baby clothespins. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those, but They're super fun. And there's a ton of them. I've got some in here and these. So yeah, those are super fun. And here, let me get my box back. Oh my gosh, this fabric is so beautiful. And wait till you see the color. Wait till you see the, I don't know, there's two colors. I don't know what the other one was, but I'm really glad I got this one. Look at this pink. It's coming up a little bit redder pink on the camera, but it's like the perfect print. Now it's color number 733, which I found out last week. I didn't realize that the Gutermann numbers are different in the US than they are in Europe. I didn't know that. So when I sewed this dress up, I used the entire spool of thread, and I didn't even, I didn't rip out a lot. I think I took out one of the gathering on one of the sleeves, but I didn't do French seams or anything, that would take a lot of thread. I didn't do anything like that, but I ran out of thread. I needed it to kind of finish up one sleeve and do the hem. It did have buttonholes. So, that takes some thread. Anyway, I was gonna stop out at Joann's, and I just looked at the number on the spool because I thought, right, I'll just get that same number. And I went out there and they didn't have number 64. I thought, how can they not have this number? And they had a lot of blues, but sometimes, it was like a blue-gray. And sometimes you think you know what the color is, but it can be deceptive. That it's not, and it's not the one that you think it is. So there I was Googling like what number was that, and it came up with a color name, and then I Googled that name, but Gutermann in the USA, and it came up with a completely different number, which I then bought and brought it home, and it matched perfectly. So I didn't realize that. So yeah, this is number 733. I don't know what it is in the US, but oh my gosh. This fabric is so beautiful. It's a viscose. It feels like, yes, it feels like a viscose. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh yes, 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 yes. It's got kind of big kind of paisleys in this beautiful, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, I'm not sure. I told myself, because when I was really undecided about what to make with this fabric, which was a viscose, and I toyed with the idea of doing a shirt because I didn't have any, and there's like a lot of pretty patterns. There's a Maison Faux pattern that I really love, and I thought I could use it for that, but I ended up making the dress. And I told myself the next time we got a viscose, I would make a shirt. I never wear kind of button-up shirts very much, but then I don't have one made out of viscose, and I thought, well, maybe if you had one, you'd wear it. But no, this has to be a dress, and the color is coming up oranger. It is kind of an orangey red, but this color it's got a little more blue in it, I think. But yeah, oh, I am in love, in total love. Thank you, Andrea. Whatever the other color is, I'm just really, really glad I got this one. Really, really glad. I love it so much. So yeah, this is definitely going to have, I have a gold shawl. I should go find it and show it to you. That would look really pretty, really, really pretty. Let me go find it. Okay, so here's the beautiful fabric, and here's the shawl. It's got a little more greenish cast than this gold in it, but I think it would work. This is a beautiful, it's a lace silk. It's very wrinkled. It would need to get blocked again, but this is Herbert Niebling. I think it's Eichenlaub. I'm pretty sure it's Eichenlaub. You can see the the oak leaves in it. So yeah, but I tell you, this pink is my color. I know I have tons of pink. And while I was in looking, I grabbed some shoes because it's fabric that's perfect for me when I have like a plethora of shoes. The dress that I finished, I have like the most perfect shoes that go with them. But look at these. Yeah, these are pretty perfect. This shows like a darker red than this like orangey. As you can see, it's a little bit orangier, but yeah. And then if I really want to go like all out kind of crazy, there's these. Would be a little too much, but then there's also, I have these, which are my dinosaur pumps. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you so much. A recap of this perfect box that was box 22. I think this is going to go down as my favorite box. We have Barbie Snaps. We have this decadent chocolate bar. I'm going to break into that as soon as I turn this off. Beautiful postcard. This super fun little baby clothespins. I just love them. Matching thread and this gorgeous fabric. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you next time, happy sewing.